Okay, so we're playing Capture 5. We place all 12 chips randomly on the board, and we place our game piece randomly on the board. We drew 5, they're called change cards, and now it says you can use as many as you want, and you're going to try to land on a square with a chip, so you can capture it. You can use any number of change cards from 1 to all 5. If you land exactly on a square that has a chip, you capture it, take it off the board. You can only capture 1 chip during a turn, okay? Each player will record each move with an equation on the Capture 5 recording sheet. Okay, for example, actually we'll just start. Okay, so here I am on 55. My closest chip is 56. Do I have anything to get me to 56?
Yeah.
I would need a what? I need a +1. I don't have a +1. I have a -1. Let's see, the 42. I would have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let me see what else. I know how to do this. Because you remember, you can use more than 1 card. Look at this. What if we use +2? 1, 2, and then -1. I captured a chip. Remember, it says you're working together to capture 5 chips, and then you win the game, okay? So that's my turn. Let's pretend that Ms. Martinez was playing with me. Okay, so now we're going to, okay, so now I have to write my equation, okay? So I can't really put everything up. So what did I start out with? I started out with 55. And then what did I do? Added 2, subtract 1, and that got me to what number? 56. So my equation is 55. I started at 55. I added a 2 card, -1 card, and then I got to 56. Okay? So then my partner is going to do their round. Let's see. Okay, so when you use the cards, you place them in a discard pile, okay? And you don't have to replace those, okay? You only replace the ones you use. So now I'm going to replace 2 more. Okay, my partner, Ms. Martinez, has all these cards to use. My next one, let's see, how far would it take to get to 42? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't have anything like that. This will be 10, 20, 30. Do we have, can we make a +30? Yeah, so we would use a +20. And if we go down a row, that's 10, 20, and then +10 more would be 30. And Miss Martinez got us a chip. Pretending. Okay, so I started out with what number? Sure, she started out with what number? 66, right? Then we added 20, added 10, and got to 86. Okay? That doesn't even make sense. We were at 56, guys. Just think of that, that makes sense. Okay, 56. We added 20, added 10, and 86. Okay, so the pink one's Miss Martinez. All right, we captured 2 already. Here we go, it's my turn. So I'm going to take these 2, put them in the discard pile, and draw how many more? 2 more. Okay, let's see. I have a -10, +20, I can't only add 20. So, I could, let's see, subtract 1, 2, 3, and -10. We have 3 and we have -2, 1, 2, -1, -10. There you go, I captured one.
73.
Okay, so let's write our equation down. Alright, we started out with 86. And then we subtracted 2, subtracted 1, subtracted 10, and got to 73. Okay, see how the green ink is my ink? This is me and my partner taking turns, okay? Now it's my partner's turn. And I'm going to discard these 3, And lay out how many more?
2.
Up 3, because you always have to have 5 cards out, okay? Alright, let's see. We could subtract 20. Oh, we don't have subtract 20. We have add 20, 10, 20. But then we don't have enough to get across there.
Wait,
We could subtract 10, get here, and then subtract as many as we can close to that one, because I don't think we have anything to get a chip this round. Now, you don't always have to get a chip. This is a round that we're probably not going to get a chip, but we're trying to get as close as we can to a chip, so when we get a card that gets close to a chip, we can get the chip next time, okay? So I think I'm going to use minus 10, and then minus 1, minus 2. And then I'll see how close I am now? Okay, so that's my partner's turn. I lost my partner's turn. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I started out with 73. I did minus 10, minus 1, minus 2, and then got to 66, okay? So there's my equation. Did I capture a chip that time? No, but that's okay. So now I'm going to discard these, and then it's my partner's turn. I'm going to deal 3 more of the ones that I used. Wow. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. My partner was able to capture the chip that I got close to. So now I have 4 chips. Okay, so my equation is 66, and I did minus 3 equals. Oh no, I did plus 3. Ah! No, that wasn't right. I plus 3. That's not right. Oh, I didn't get a chip. No. I plus 2. I guess my partner will do plus 2, so we're really close to it. So 66 plus 2 equals 68. Okay? And you keep playing until you capture 5 chips, okay? I'm going to stop right there so you have plenty of time to capture your chips. Alright? So, you need, listen here, you and your partner are going to share a game board. You'll share a game board, you'll share the package of cards, chips, and game keys. And you're going to share the writing paper, okay? Got it?
Got it.
So the same partner that you worked with yesterday, you're going to work with today.
But Ryder's not here.
Okay, for Ryder, you are going to, Ryder, watch the video and complete the worksheet. And Kennedy, I'll get you a new partner.